Investing in gold seems to carry high traditional and cultural values. So, what is the role of gold investment in my portfolio? Is gold investment beneficial from a return perspective? We have our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us to help us get a better picture on this. Satish, over to you.
You can invest in various forms of gold because there is a government scheme as well for gold. There are government gold bonds which are available, which also give you interest. There are ETFs available. So you have digital gold also. I would say I would prefer digital gold to physical gold. And there is no right time, I would say. I think if you if you decide on the allocation, say I want to put 10% of my money in gold, then start an SIP and have a consistent plan rather than timing the market and saying that, oh, now is the right time to be in gold. So there is no right and wrong. And typically gold has a low correlation to equity. It just helps you balance out your returns in your portfolio when equity is not doing well. So it is just a returns balancer rather than helping you to create higher returns. Higher returns are created by equity funds, but if you want that fluctuation in returns to be lower, you need to have some money in debt and some money in gold. So I would say rather than timing the market, put some money in a SIP and do that investment.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.